Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
In this part, we're given several different initial velocities and different accelerations, and we're asked to find the final speed of an object after a 2-second time interval. So in the first part, the initial velocity is a positive 12 meters per second, and the acceleration in this case is a positive 3.0 meters per second squared. So after 2 seconds, how fast will the object be moving? We are also told that, we're told in the givens that both values are positive. So they're moving in the same direction as the acceleration is acting. So we have our equation, v equals v naught plus at. So our v naught, or v initial, is 12. Our acceleration is positive 3. And our time is 2 seconds, 2.0 seconds. So 12 plus 3 times 2 is 6. So that's going to give us a final velocity of 18 meters per second. For part B, we have the same initial velocity, but the acceleration is negative 3 meters per second. So positive here, and our acceleration is negative 3. So if v is equal to v naught plus at again, our v naught is 12, our acceleration is negative 3, and our time is 2 seconds. So again, 3 times 2 is 6, but this time the negative sign makes the answer 12 plus negative 6, which is positive 6 meters per second. So in these two cases, the velocity is positive. All of these are velocities because velocity is a vector. So everything that we've talked about so far is a velocity, but the question asks for the speed. So for both A and B, because the velocity is positive, the speed, which I'll just write out as the word speed is magnitude of velocity. So it's just the same. It's 18 meters per second. Here, the speed is 6 meters per second. Okay, in the next couple of problems, we have some negative signs that might change our situation a little bit. We have an initial velocity of negative 12 meters per second in part C, and an acceleration of positive 3 meters per second squared. So if v equals v naught plus at, we have negative 12 plus acceleration, which is positive 3, times 2 seconds. 3 times 2 is still 6, but we have a negative 12 now plus a positive 6, so our answer is negative 6 meters per second for our final velocity. Velocity is a vector and it has direction, so in this case the direction is in the negative. But the speed is just the magnitude, so our speed would be 6 meters per second. In part D, we have both a negative initial velocity and a negative acceleration. So v is equal to v naught plus at. So v naught is negative 12 plus acceleration. Acceleration is negative 3 times 2 seconds. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. This time we have negative 12 plus negative 6, which is negative 18 meters per second, and that is our final velocity. So if our velocity is negative 18 meters per second, our final speed is 18 meters per second, because that is the magnitude of final velocity.